Hello everyone, this is Balu. Welcome to my channel Steelcare. In this video, let us discuss about the development length. What is development length? Why we have to provide development length? These all things we will discuss, and after that we will solve some questions which is given in AEE 2023 paper based on the development length formula. Also, we will solve that questions. Okay. Next, coming to the first thing, that is what is development length. Development length is defined as the length of reinforcement bar needed to be embedded or projected into the column to establish the desired bond strength between concrete and steel. Here you can see, in simple words, the extra length of the bar which is embedded from the beam to the column to establish the bond strength between the concrete and steel, and also proper transfer of stress to the steel at the section. Okay, for that purpose we have to give the development length. Here you can see the development length which is started at the entry of the column and up to this length, it is provided as the development length. Okay, next, how to calculate this development length? Let us see this. Development length is calculated using this formula. Here you can see 5 sigma st by 4 tau bd, where phi is the nominal dia of the bar and sigma st is the stress developed at the particular section in the reinforcing bar. And coming to the sigma st, it is calculated as 0.87 Fy, where Fy is the grid of the steel, and this 0.87 Fy is applicable to limit state method. And coming to the tau bd, it is the bond stress developed. Here you can see the tau bd values for different grades of concrete ranging from 1.2 to 1.9. Okay, for different grades of concrete from M20 to M40, it is given below. Like how to remember these values, I will tell you the rough idea so that you can use that trick to remember, and also you can solve the questions in exams. Okay, the variation of this tau bd is from 1.2 to 2.0 roughly. Okay, I am telling roughly. Here it is 1.2 to 1.9, but if you remember roughly as 1.2 to 2.0, and the variation between from one grade to other grade as 0.2, like you can say like 1.2, 1.4, roughly as 1.6, 1.8, 2.0, so that it is easy to remember. That very little variation will not cause much effect in exam. I am just increasing the probability to solve the question in exam. If you remember in this way, like whatever the value use, you will get the nearby answer to the options which are given in the question. Okay, hope you are getting my point. Okay, next, after that, let us solve the questions based on this development length which is given in AEE 2023 question paper. Coming to the first question, what is the anchorage length of D diameter Fe415 bars in M30 concrete column in compression, and assume sigma st as 0.75 Fy. Okay, we all know that development length formula is given as LD is equal to 5 sigma st by 4 tau bd. Okay, here phi is the nominal dia of the bar. It is given as D in this question. Let us substitute that D into, coming to the sigma st, it is already given in the question, that is 0.75 Fy. 0.75 into Fy is the grade of the steel. It is given as 415 into 415 divided by 4 into, here it is tau bd. Okay, remember one thing, whatever the formula I explained here, tau bd, you have to increase the tau bd by 60% if the bars used is HYSD bars. Okay, and you have to further increase it by 25% if it is in compression. Remember this thing. Okay, it is also very important. For example, if you are using HYSD bars in compression, then you have to multiply tau bd with 1.6 into 1.25, like you are increasing 60% and further increasing by 25%. 1.6 into 1.25 is approximately equal to 2. Okay. Here also in this question they are using the FE415 bars, means HYSD bars, and coming to the compression it is given in the question. That means 1.6 into 1.25, which is approximately equal to 2 into what is the tau BD value. Here grade of concrete is M30. Okay, I already explained you the range, that is it in between 1.2 to 2.0 roughly. Like M20 it is 1.2, for M25 it is 1.4, for M30 it is 1.6. Now tau BD value is 1.6. If you solve this, you will get approximately 24.3 D. Here you can see the nearby option available is 25.94 D. You may not get the exact answer, but you can get the nearby option. That's why I am referring to remember this range roughly, so that you can get the nearby option which is given in the question. Okay. Next, coming to the second question. A beam is designed using M20 grade concrete and Fe415 bars used for the tension reinforcement. If the diameter of the main steel is 12 mm, what is the minimum value of the development length in mm to be provided in the support section? With the same formula, we are going to use LD is equal to 5 sigma st by 4 tau bit. The 5 is the diameter of the bar, which is given as 12 mm in the question. Let us substitute that 12 into. Coming to the sigma st, I already explained. In limit state method, we have to use as 0.87 F5. 0.87 into F5. F5 is the grade of steel. It is given as Fe415. I substitute 415. Next, coming to the 4 tau BD. Here they are using HYSD bars. That means you have to increase the tau BD values by 60%. That means 1.6 into, what is the tau BD? For it is given as M20 grade. I explained to you already. That is for M20 grade it is 1.2. Okay, now let us calculate this value. It is coming as approximately equal to 564. It is given in the option, that is 564. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and please encourage me so that I will give you more refined content. And Telegram group link is given in the description. Please click on it and join in the Telegram group, so that day-to-day updates regarding this YouTube channel is given in the Telegram group.